हेलो। ओएस अजीज़ी के घर में बिरयानी भेजा? नहीं भेजा? अरे भाई तुझे कितना बार बोलना पड़ेगा? टू इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स क्विकली ना। एक काम कर, सेंड 10 किलोज ऑफ बिरयानी टू ओएस अजीज़ी। ओके? हाँ हाँ, 10 किलो भेज दे और मेरे तरफ से सलाम बोलना, ठीक है? हाँ हाँ हाँ, व्हाट अ मैन। हाँ हाँ हाँ, सलाम बोलना। और भी चाहिए तो बोलना, भेजूंगा, ठीक है? एकदम कोलकाता बिरयानी, ठीक है? चलो हाँ बाय। बिरयानी तो मांगता है ना। व्हाट अ गिफ्ट ही हैज़ गिवन टू द इंडियन फुटबॉल। ओएस अजीजी इज द मैन। लेफ्ट से जब आशिक क्रॉस किया था, आई थिंक आशिक ऑल्सो डिडंट न्यू दैट दैट वुड एंड अप इन द गोल, बट अजीजी द गोलकीपर ऑफ अफगानिस्तान क्या किया मुझे भी पता नहीं। ही टुक द बॉल, इट वेंट इन टू हिज लेग, ऑन टू हिज नीज, इन टू द गोल. There only Afghanistan chance ended, fully ended. 1-0 with a few minutes to play. Afghanistan needed 2 goals. फोन आ रहा है, 1 सेकेंड. हाँ हो गया. हाँ, भेके के घर में, राहुल भेके, उसके घर में क्या भेजा है? पागल है क्या? फोन काट. राहुल भेके के घर में कोई मिठाई भेजेगा बोल रहा है. भाई ने तो इंडिया को डुबा दिया था. भेकेन बावर पीपल टेल दिस गाय राहुल भेके. ही हैज इमेंस पोटेंशियल, बट एज अ राइट बैक आई थिंक यू ऑल सॉ व्हाट ही डिड. Easy ball he could clear. I don't know what he was doing, Bharatnatyam on the ground or something. And then this chance came to Zamani. What a brilliant finish from Zamani, but the ball wouldn't have reached Zamani only. Rahul Bheke was doing some somersault on the ground or something like that and couldn't clear the ball. The chance couldn't have arrived. And the last few tense moments, I almost got a heart attack. I was about to come to do this video when this happened. Anyway, all's well that ends well, and now India has qualified for the third round of Asian Cup qualifiers by finishing third after Qatar and Oman, and now from the third round they can directly qualify for the Asian Cup 2023. The qualifiers of the third round will happen in 2022. Had they not drawn today or won the game, had they lost today, they would have had to take a very long route through the playoffs to the Asian Cup. Remember what Chetri had once said, that first we have to regularly qualify for Asian Cup and then we can think about World Cup qualification. So the next thing is on the mind is to qualify for Asian Cup. Now let's talk about the game. The game, India, I was little surprised, but India did start on a very good note in terms of attack. They snatched balls in the middle, down the right. Manveer was great. He had a great combination with Suresh, and there were crosses being floated in from right, from left, and India earned as many as 6 corners to 1 for Afghanistan in the first half. And Brandon, who was largely ineffective, had a very ineffective game this match, and he was brilliant against Bangladesh, but his dead balls were really threatening, and India almost came close to a goal when Jhingan headed the ball, but Harun Amiri, who has played in India for I-League and ISL, cleared it just in front of goal. But as the match progressed, in the last 15 minutes it seemed like India were a little bit relaxing and gave Afghanistan not open chances but chances from outside the box to shoot, and Popelze and the likes of the other attackers took shots on goal, which one thing was good, that it was direct at Gurpreet Singh Sandhu, and Gurpreet Singh Sandhu, after having a great game against Qatar, won't miss those. But after that first 20 minutes, India's passing and all that went out of the window a little bit, as if they were becoming a little defensive. At the last few seconds of the first half, they got a good counter attack which was done very well, but Suresh's ball, the through which Suresh gave, was a little short and Manveer couldn't reach on time. In the second half, Ashik was brilliant. His runs down the middle, Ashik बनाया आपने, वो मेरा उसका आशिक बना दिया मुझे एकदम. His rounds through the middle, rounds through the left wing were very powerful, and those were threatening too, because he earned a free kick which Chhetri could have almost converted. It just went out of the crossbar, just over the crossbar. In the second half, Chhetri was replaced. He couldn't get his 75th goal, but Liston Colasso came in. He provided some good crosses, and India were not that much threatening, but neither were Afghanistan, because again in the second half, Popelze was someone who was trying to get shots, but again from outside the goal. The defense was compact, apart from that one mistake by Rahul Bheke which gave the goal. But India were also not that much effective. Ashik in the second half again created a chance, but the ball just went outside the byline. He himself took the ball on the left wing and just tried to cross a square into the box, but before that it went outside the byline. So that was a little bit of a misfortune. But Ashik was really brilliant, Suresh was brilliant, Manveer was good in patches, and Glenn Martins, the silent warrior, he was very good. He snatched balls regularly, definitely in the first quarter of the match, and then gave good passes, also helped out in defense. India at one point of time were defending with 7-8 players. So that was really great. Overall, the match, India did the job which they needed to do with a positive attitude right at the start of the match, and as the game went on, they became a little cautious. The draw was secured, and then even the last goal, it was too late for Afghanistan. So for now, India have to do one thing right. They need to convert those chances, those darting runs, those counter attacks need to be converted into the goals. I hope more matches, India football team gets more matches, and that would help them to set up for that third round qualification matches of AFC Asian Cup. New players will be coming in. ISL season is there, I-League season is there. It will be very important to see who are the new players that come in and join the team. But apart from that, a little bit of good passing football will help Indian football, definitely. A little bit of more possession will definitely help Indian football, and whenever they get those chances, those one or two counter attacks, they need to find the back of the net. I feel that's what it is from this review. For now, Orgo, I'm taking your leave. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube, on Facebook. Please follow us on Instagram. Also follow me and Trisha. Every information is in the description below. For now, biryani khane jana hai. Bye bye.